Presentation Folder is a wholesale print provider based in Southern California. We've been proudly printing, foil stamping, and embossing for over 45 years. We produce high-quality custom presentation folders, boxes and packaging, business cards, posters, and much more.
Our operations are very similar to other printing companies, except for the difference is we do have a family environment. It's been family-owned since the beginning in 1978.
Everything's done here. It's just phenomenal.
Our new digital technology is a true game changer in terms of what we're able to deliver to our clients.
2020, we acquired the Konica Minolta KM1 press to enhance our digital capabilities for printing, and also allowed us to get into other products, posters, packaging, printing on vinyl, a lot of stuff that we weren't able to do prior to that.
The one thing that we have always done since day one is made sure that no matter what, the job is always right. If it is not right, it's our responsibility to make it right.
We go out of our way to make sure things are done. And big corporations do to a point, but somewhere they lose the touch that you need to have as far as a family business is concerned.
I personally love coming to work every day and seeing the people and seeing the production and just being around it.
We believe what sets Presentation Folder apart is our unwavering dedication to customer care. We want to listen to you, your needs, and then deliver the very best product we can on time and at a price that's fair to everyone.